What if I told you that by sipping just one simple concoction each morning, you could begin to notice your midsection feeling lighter and less bloated in as little as 10 days? As a physician scientist who has spent decades unraveling how natural compounds interact with human physiology, I can assure you there's no magic pill here, just time-tested ingredients and a little scientific know-how. Today, I'll walk you through a safe, research-grounded morning beverage routine designed to ease bloating, support digestion, and help you inch toward a flatter belly. Our digestive tract is a dynamic system that can respond rapidly to simple dietary changes. By introducing 3 key elements: warm water, fresh lemon juice, and organic apple cider vinegar, we tap into multiple mechanisms. Relaxation of smooth muscle. A lukewarm drink gently eases tension in your gastrointestinal walls, promoting more efficient movement of food. Think of how a warm compress soothes sore muscles. Internally, warm fluids have a similar calming effect. Enzyme activation and pH balance. Citrus acids from lemon stimulate the secretion of digestive enzymes and saliva, jump-starting your ability to break down proteins and fats. Although lemons are acidic on their own, once metabolized they yield alkalizing byproducts that help maintain healthy blood pH. Blood sugar and fat metabolism. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar blunts post-meal glucose spikes, easing the load on insulin pathways. Early clinical trials show that daily vinegar intake can modestly reduce fasting glucose and support fat oxidation. When you combine these actions, muscle relaxation, enhanced enzymatic function, and improved metabolic balance, you create an environment where your gut feels lighter and your body is primed to use nutrients more effectively. Detailed benefits of each component. Warm water. Gut motility boost. Studies indicate that water at roughly body temperature helps synchronize peristaltic waves, reducing the likelihood of constipation. Hydration edge. Overnight, you fast for several hours. A warm glass first thing revives cells and starts rehydration without shocking the system like an ice-cold beverage might. Metabolic nudge. Research demonstrates a mild increase in calorie burn, thermogenesis, with warm fluid intake in the morning, setting a slightly higher basal metabolic tone for the next hour. Fresh lemon juice. Vitamin C support. Each lemon packs around 30–40 mg of vitamin C, crucial for collagen synthesis and vascular health. This micronutrient also scavenges free radicals, cutting down low-grade inflammation that can contribute to bloating. Digestive enzyme trigger. The sour taste signals your salivary glands and stomach lining to release digestive juices, essentially priming your system to handle the day's first meal. Alkalizing metabolites. Paradoxically, despite its acidity, lemon's metabolic residue is alkaline forming, which aids enzyme function and reduces the inflammatory milieu in the gut. Apple cider vinegar, ACV. Acetic acid action. This compound slows gastric emptying, which helps you feel satisfied longer and prevents rapid glucose surges after breakfast. Fat burning signal. Animal models reveal that acetic acid activates genes linked to fatty acid oxidation, suggesting your cells may tap into stored fat more readily. Microbiome balance. ACV's mild acidity discourages pathogenic bacteria in the stomach while supporting beneficial flora downstream, promoting a healthier overall digestive ecosystem. How to prepare your morning drink. Heat 1–2 cups of water to around 110 degree F, 38–43 degrees C, warm but not scalding. Squeeze in juice from half a medium lemon, about 2 tablespoons, and if you like a bit more zing, grate a teaspoon of fresh zest. Add 1 tablespoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar. If the flavor is too strong at first, start with 1 teaspoon and gradually increase. Give it a gentle stir and sip slowly on an empty stomach, at least 15 minutes before breakfast. Pro tip: using a straw and rinsing your mouth with plain water afterward helps protect tooth enamel from acidity. Let's meet Mrs. Linda S., a 67-year-old retired librarian from Vermont. After years of persistent bloating and afternoon heaviness, she adopted this morning protocol. By day 5, she noticed her waistband feeling a bit looser. On day 10, her self-measured waistline had shrunk by half an inch, and she reported significantly less post-meal discomfort. Linda credits the ritual not only for physical shifts but for beginning each day with an intentional act of self-care reinforcing both body and mindset. Maximize efficiency by timing matters. Wait at least 15 minutes before eating breakfast to let digestive enzymes fully activate. Complement with fiber. Pair this ritual with a breakfast rich in soluble fiber oatmeal, chia seeds, or berries to further smooth digestion. Stay active. A brief morning walk helps reinforce the motility-boosting effects of your drink. Even 10 minutes around the block can make a difference. Cycle on and off. Use the drink daily for 10 consecutive days, then take a 2-3 day break. This helps prevent tolerance and maintains effectiveness. Cautions and considerations. Dental health. Acidic beverages can erode enamel over time. Always rinse your mouth after sipping and consider a straw. Stomach sensitivity. If you have reflux or ulcers, start with smaller vinegar doses or consult your healthcare provider before beginning. Medication interactions. ACV can influence blood sugar and potassium levels. Those on antihypertensives or diabetes meds should get medical clearance. To ensure we're not simply repeating old advice, let's add 2 fresh, research-backed enhancements. Ginger phytonutrients. Adding just half a teaspoon of freshly grated ginger introduces gingerol, which research in phytotherapy research shows can reduce gut inflammation and gas production. Alternate days of ginger can amplify your results without overwhelming your palate. Probiotic kickstart. Consider pairing this drink with a quality probiotic supplement, 10-20 billion CFU, in the morning. A balanced microbiome supports enzyme production and nutrient absorption, and modern trials link specific lactobacillus strains to less abdominal discomfort. If you've ever woken up feeling puffy or uncomfortable after meals, drop a comment below describing your worst bloating moment. Let's support each other by sharing tips that worked. Summary of key takeaways. 3 ingredients synergy, warm water, lemon juice, and ACV each play distinct roles: muscle relaxation, enzyme activation, and glycemic control. Preparation simplicity. 1 to 2 minutes every morning can set the tone for smoother digestion and reduced bloating. Lifestyle integration. Combine with fiber-rich foods, light activity, and mindful breaks to amplify benefits. Personalization. Adjust vinegar levels, add ginger, or complement with probiotics based on your tolerance and goals. Safety first. Protect your teeth, watch for sensitivity, and consult a professional if you have existing GI or metabolic conditions. Final reflection and lesson. At its core, this ritual is about respect for your body's innate intelligence and for the humble power of nature's pantry. By dedicating a small moment each morning to support digestion and metabolic balance, you create a ripple effect, improved energy, lighter movement, and a mindset that values consistent, sustainable self-care over quick fixes. Like Mrs. Linda S., you may find that these 10 days mark the beginning of a new rhythm, one where every sip reminds you that lasting health thrives on simplicity and intention. Health is not an endpoint but a daily practice. In the quiet warmth of your morning cup lies the gentle power to transform your day, your body, and your relationship with yourself. Here's to 10 days of discovery and perhaps a lifetime of gentler mornings and lighter steps. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. Always consult your healthcare provider before making changes to your supplement or health routine.